Question 101. Why is the year 1952 important in Indian history? State Reorganization Act was passed. Punjab state was split. First official census in India was held. First general election to the Lok Sabha was held. Has held was. Answer is D. First general election to the Lok Sabha was held. Question 102. The only president of India who was elected unopposed is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Farukdan Ali Ahmed. Answer is C. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Question 103. Shrikant Sri Srinivasan is the first ever South Indian American to serve as a judge on U.S. County Court, U.S. Federal Court, U.S. Circuit Court, U.S. Supreme Court. Answer is C. U.S. Circuit Court. Question 104. Two great Indians reforms were born in the same country BC. Who among the following were those two? Ramanujan and Kabir, Gautam Buddha and Mahavir, Ramdeva and Kabir, Mahavir and Ramanujan. Answer is B. Gautam Buddha and Mahavir. Question 105. All machines suffers a loss of efficiency due to lack of force, friction, lack of distance, force being exchanged for distance. Answer is B. Friction. Question 106. Thane Dam is located on which of the following river? Beas, Satluj, Chenab and Ravi. Answer is Ravi. Option D is right. Question 107. Where in India was the first atomic power plant set up? Trombay, Tarapur, Rana Pratap Singh, Sagar, Cochin. Answer is B. Tarapur. Question 108. International Women's Day, or originally called International Women's Day, is marked on 8th of March every year. Question 109. When the judgment of the court consists of certain observation which lay down the certain principles of law, such observations are called obiter dicta, stare decisis, ratio decidendi, none of the above. Answer is C. Ratio decidendi. Question 110. Which of the following is correct statement of law? Judges make the law, judges do not make the law, legislation make the law and judges interpret them, legislature make the law and judges interpret them, but interpretation also become a law. Answer is D. Legislation make the law, judges interpret them and interpretation also become the law. Question 111. Under the Indian Contract Act, a finder of the goods is subject to the same duties as a bailee, trustee, owner, custodian. Answer is A. Bailee. Question 112. A supplies the wife and children of the lunatic B with the necessities suitable to their conditions of life. A is not entitled to any reimbursement, entitled to reimburse from B's property, entitled to partial reimbursement only, none of the above. Answer is B. Entitled to reimburse from B's property. Question 113. A and B agree that A shall pay 20,000 for which B shall deliver either rice or heroin. The contract is voidable, void agreement as to deliver the heroin and valid contract as to the delivery of rice. D is voidable. Answer is C. Void agreement as to the delivery of heroin, valid as to the delivery of rice. Question 114. Which of the following is not relevant in determining the quantum of damages under section 73 of Indian Contract Act? Motive, manner, loss suffered, both A and B. Answer is B. Manner. Question 115. As per section 5 of Indian Partnership Act, the relationship of partnership is created by status, contract, statutes, none of the above. Answer is B. Contract. Question 116. State the following statement and pick up the right option from the quotes. Statement 1. A minor can be a partner in a firm if all the members give their consent in relation to the same. Second statement, a minor's share in the firm is liable for the acts of the firm, but the minor is not personally liable for such the act. Quotes. Only statement 1 is true, only statement 2 is true. Both statements are true, neither statement 1 nor statement 2 is true. Answer is B. Only statement 2 is true. A stipulation collateral to the main purpose of the contract is called condition, warranty, guarantee, none of the above. Answer is B. Warranty. Question 118. Delivery under the Sale of Goods Act means transfer of possession from one person to another, voluntary transfer of ownership from one person to another, voluntary transfer of possession from one person to another, none of the above. Answer is C. Voluntarily transfer of possession from one person to another. Question 119. A non-resident Indian is entitled to seek the eviction of his tenant under Section 13B of East Punjab Urban Rent Restriction Act 1949 if he is permanently settled outside India and has surrendered his Indian citizenship, temporarily settled outside India and owns the property for last 4 years, is either permanently or temporarily settled outside India irrespective of his status as a citizen of India, none of the above. Answer is C. Either permanently or temporarily settled outside India irrespective of his status as citizen of India. Question 120. The principle of lis pendis embodies under Section 52 of Transfer of Property Act 1882 pertains to bona fide purchase, public policy, auction sale, none of the above. Answer is B. Public policy. Question 121. Which of the following is an actionable claim? A decree, right to recover the profit from the co-sharer, a claim to any debt other than a debt secured by mortgage or immovable property, right to recover the damages by a way of interest for the breach of contract. Answer is C. A claim to be debt other than the debt secured by the mortgage or immovable property. Question 122. The foundation of the doctrine of election under the Transfer of Property Act 1882 is that the person taking the benefit of an instrument must bear the burden, must not bear the burden. Burden is not the subject of election, none of the above. Answer is must bear the burden. Question 123. Section 12 of Specific Relief Act 1963 permits the grant of specific performance of the part of the contract, where the part left unperformed bear only the small portion of the whole in value and admit the compensation in money. Where the part left unperformed is sustained portion of the whole in value and admit of compensation in money. Where the part left unperformed is a small portion of the whole in the subject matter and does not admit in compensation in money, and none of the above. Answer is A. Where the part left unperformed bears only the small portion of the whole in value and admits the compensation in money. Question 124. Preventive relief is granted by the court under Section 36 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 by declaration, by specific performance, by injunction, none of the above. Answer is by injunction. Question 125. An injunction cannot be granted under the Specific Relief Act 1963 to restrain any person from instituting and prosecuting any proceeding in a court not subordinate to that from which the injunction is sought, to prevent the breach of contract, the performance of which would not specifically enforce, when the plaintiff has no personal interest in the matter, and last is all of the above. Answer is all of the above, D.